god! Wow, this is a paradise.
Wait.
Yeah, he's here, dude!
As you see, my Jedi powers are far beyond yours.
So hope you guys enjoyed that little teaser edited by Blaziken. You know, tomorrow is finally the final reveal for FaZe House LA. I know we've been hyping up for a long time, but it is fucking beautiful, as you guys can probably see, and we are so excited for the next year or two in this house, and we hope you guys are as well. Please leave a like on the video. I know we kind of all uploaded this kind of same video, but we all have different ends to the video, so I hope you guys do enjoy that, and we will see you guys tomorrow in the final reveal.